Hi everyone. Today we are going to be talking about Chapter 3, which is Networked Communications. Okay, so that again is Chapter 3. Now, with networked communications, we want to address exactly what we're talking about. So we're not just talking about the internet, but we're also talking about things such as cell phones. Okay, this also includes things such as email, forums, anything that uses the web in general is going to be included, but it's not just the web. It's any kind of technologically connected communication that occurs. So this is primarily the internet and cell phones, but there's some other things that you might find that fits into this category as well. Now, the first thing I want to talk about here is how it's ever growing in terms of its importance and weight in our society. So right now, we can find that the news and politics are increasingly centered on network communications as a key factor in a variety of things, right? Most people nowadays are getting their news online. They're not buying a print newspaper or other source of information. They're mostly going online, whether through some sort of app, through Reddit, or through a news website directly to get their information. With politics, it's increasingly becoming important that our politicians are aware of cybersecurity, of cyber related communications, so network communications in general, but also that politics are starting to use these technologies to their advantage. Actually, for a long time now, they've been using these. We actually know of the first case of a politician using Bitcoin as a donation mechanism. So it's becoming more and more intertwined with our everyday life, with our governmental life, with our public life, and with our private life. And it's really important that we understand how network communications can impact us ethically, not just the jobs that we do as tech professionals. Now, some major concerns we have about network communication comes down to three kind of main areas. So there is an area of authenticity. All right, so are people being authentic online? Are they being true to themselves and to whatever it is that they're representing? There's the concern of censorship. And we'll talk a little bit about how that plays into America's First Amendment rights and whether or not there's concern there. But we also find things such as cyberbullying, which really encompasses a larger category than what you traditionally think of with cyberbullying. What I'm saying that here is basically things like cyberbullying, where you have teenagers bullying each other online, but you also have things like revenge porn and general harassment that happens online. So it's not just about the traditional sense of cyberbullying where we're talking about teenagers and middle schoolers, getting online and being mean to each other, but we're actually talking about some more serious issues than that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and link to you a video I want you to watch. It is a skit from Monty Python, and I kind of find it I find it funny. You may not enjoy it as much, but I'm going to be using it as a point of reference in the video after this. So it's important that you watch it so you at least understand what it is I'm talking about and mentioning when I get there. All right?